Fur was first worn to keep people warm, before for some it became a fashion accessory. Tanning is the process which turns a pelt into leather. Today the process is much as it has always been, and the furs still provide old-fashioned warmth. These beaver pelts have been purchased at auction. They're sorted and the quality of the hair is inspected to determine the type of garment they're suitable for. A lot number is hammered into the underside of the pelt. It perforates the skin. This technique is used so that the number stays on the pelt during processing. The ear cartilage is cut out using a pneumatic punch. It's important to get rid of the cartilage early on to enable the pelts to pass through machines during the tanning process. The pelts are slightly dry because of preservation techniques used before they were delivered to the tanning plant. So they're put through various chemical washes to rehydrate them. The final bath contains tanning chemicals which convert the underside of the animal skins to leather. The supple leather texture will eventually allow the pelts to be shaped into garments. Between each wash, the furs go into a wringer. It spins out the excess liquid. All that moisture has caused the pelt to thicken, so they thin it down with a spinning blade called a flesher's knife. You need to be an expert to wield this tool. One false move and you'll cut into those follicles and lose fur. Next, sawdust is shoveled into a large drum. The pelts are placed in the drum along with the sawdust and a mineral solution is added. The drums turn, tossing it all for about half an hour. This cleans and conditions the leather side of the pelts. The furs are still damp when they emerge, so they are hung over wooden dowels to dry, leather side up. The rest of the sawdust will fall away in subsequent operations. Now the pelt's long hair is scraped off to expose the downy undercoat. This undercoat has a more desirable look and texture. A generous amount of oil is rubbed into the leather to lubricate it. Then the pelt is tossed into a kicker box, and you can see where it got its name. The kicking action causes the oils to penetrate the skin. Next, a spinning metal wheel tugs at the pelt to stretch it. The ragged edges are cut away. Then it goes into a hot press. This irons and adds luster to the fur. After a quick brush, the pelts get one more press. Then a shearing machine cuts the hairs to an even length. They bundle up the pelts for a trip to the garment factory, where they'll be great design material.